Coordinates consisting of lines of latitude and lines of longitude are used to determine position on a map. Coordinates consist of lines of latitude and lines of longitude. Together, lines of latitude and lines of longitude form a grid which is used to show position on a map. Latitudinal and longitudinal coordinates consist of degrees, minutes, and seconds. Latitudinal coordinates increase towards the south in the southern hemisphere, and longitudinal coordinates increase towards the east in the southern hemisphere. To establish the coordinates of the golf course, join the center of the golf course to the latitudinal coordinates on the left and the longitudinal coordinates at the top of the map. To estimate the number of seconds, divide the minute block by half. This would equal 30 seconds. Then a quarter. This would be equal to 15 seconds. Subdivide the area between 15 seconds and 30 seconds into half. This would equal 22.5 seconds. The latitudinal coordinates of the golf course are 28 degrees, 8 minutes, and 23 seconds south. Calculate the longitudinal coordinates in the same manner. The longitudinal coordinates are 31 degrees, 55 minutes, and plus minus 40 seconds east. What are the coordinates of the trigonometrical beacon at Bossieskop? Join the trig beacon to the latitudinal coordinates which are found to the left of the map. Then join the trig beacon to the longitudinal coordinates which are found at the top of the map. Fill in the missing minutes for the lines of latitude. Measure distance 1 and place it over the measurement of distance 2. Distance 1 is equal to 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters. Distance 2 is equal to 45 millimeters or 4.5 centimeters. In order to calculate the number of seconds, place distance 1, namely 20 millimeters, over distance 2, namely 45 millimeters, and multiply it by 60 over 1. This will be equal to 27 seconds. The latitudinal coordinates are therefore 30 degrees, 16 minutes, 27 seconds south of the equator. Repeat the same procedure to find the longitudinal coordinates. Measure the distance at 3 and place it over the measurement of the distance at 4. Distance 3 is equal to 30 millimeters or 3 centimeters. Distance 4 is equal to 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. In order to calculate the number of seconds, place distance 3, namely 30 millimeters, over distance 4, namely 50 millimeters, and multiply it by 60 over 1. This will be equal to 36 seconds. The longitudinal coordinates will therefore be 25 degrees, 23 minutes, 36 seconds east of Greenwich.